everybody. Thanks for watching the videos. Be sure to subscribe, click the watermark up there or the subscribe button down there, and have fun. So, people, check this baby out.
That's a ridiculous good.
That is a Mac Daddy revolver. It's so heavy, like when I hold it out, it makes my hand shake.
It's a fairly large piece you got there.
Look at that. Oh, it's amazing. All clear, just so you know. But that is too cool. Finally, I've wanted one of these forever. Well,
that's a little too big, farm girl.
Oh. I don't know, how many times do you think I could shoot it without getting tired? And how many targets we got? Make sure we don't have any wardrobe malfunctions. Ready for this?
I'm ready.
We got our nice hollow points.
Let me see those in your hand.
That'll stop a bear, won't it?
Yeah.
What is that, like 3 pounds?
What you gonna shoot, farm girl?
I'm gonna shoot that cinder block.
All right.
You ready for this?
I'm ready.
Damn!
You shot that cinder block, didn't you?
Oh my God!
Let's see you shoot it again.
This thing is crazy.
Don't shoot me.
Okay.
Shoot that cinder block one more time, farm girl.
Oops. I shot the yard.
Hit it again. Smith Wesson 500, one hand.
Damn.
Wow. That was a lot of yard.
That was really low. Almost done with these hollow points. God.
Nice shooting, farm girl. Wow.
I can't work my hand anymore.
You got it. Good shooting, farm girl.
Thanks. That was fun.
Yeah. Well, let's look at some damage.
Look at all the mess.
It's a good thing we're not golfing out here, right?
Yeah. Looks like we got some little critters.
Jeez Louise. There's mayhem over here.
Gotta get the gophers. Go first.
Good God, look at that. That had to be 500 grain right there.
Yeah, that was. For sure.
Oh,
The new trencher.
Yeah, we got
by Smith Wesson.
We got a new trencher. All right, everybody, that gun is clear.
Yeah.
And we're walking around. Clear gun, just so everybody knows. Yeah, look at that. Farm girl, you are just one dangerous woman. I don't know if you're like Angie Dickinson or Dirty Harriet, or you're your own kind of new heroine.
Did you get that? The first one I ever shot that I blew the thingy apart?
Kind of.
Because I was far away for that one. Yeah.
Wow.
So we've got 500 grain now.
Oh, that's serious.
Another first.
Oh, mama.
Yikes. After I'm tired already.
Yep.
You ready for this?
I guess so.
Wow. Is that high?
I wasn't looking at that. Back up a little bit. Right there.
I can't believe I'm not hitting that sucker.
Hang on.
Damn.
That's pretty powerful, huh?
So powerful. Wow.
Wow.
Oh yeah, I don't need to yell.
So is that gun clear?
This gun is clear and it's fun. Clear.
Nice.
Ugh. It's so heavy. It's smoking. All right, got everything in. I'm surprised that didn't get me wet.
Wow.
Oh, my arm is tired.
Talk about Dirty Harriet. Yeah, I guess it is.
I have one more shot.